Congressman Marcoleta that we have to follow kung ano sinasabi ng ating EPIRA. And specifically, EPIRA law, binabanggit po yan sa Section 34F para po determine yung pong rate base, no? Transco and distribution utility, ang sinasabi, shall not be allowed to include management inefficiencies like cost of project delays. And that's the reason why Transco, binabanggit po nila yung mga delays ng mga project. And it is the right of the Transco na sabihin po sa atin, ano itong mga proyekto na nag-delay po. And that's the reason why sinusuportahan po ng EPIRA law under Section 34F that the management inefficiencies and cost of the project delays must be considered and must be updated by the Transco.
Thank you very much, Honorable Dr.
Mr. Chair,
we will now proceed.
Mr. Chair, before we go, because you gave point of clarification kay Chair, so it's my time siguro. Just one point clarification lang, Mr. Chair. I think I discussed already last time.
Honorable President Jesus, patapusin po natin muna yung IMAP.
Mr.
So
Chair,
that
very
I will not
important.
entertain all the questions.
Mr.
Because lahat po point of clarification, hindi mo ako matatapos.
Mr. Chair, last isa lang, Mr. Chair, kasi misleading sinasabi ng delay. Pakisabi nga ako, ano ba reason ng delay? Is it all provided by the GCP or ERC rin?
Maybe that's already a question. Yes, that is already a question for interpretation, and I suggest that you are already on the list, Honorable President Jesus. So now I will now recognize IMAP. IMAP, may you please prepare for your, may now deliver your presentation. We're taking notes, okay? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Can you please, your attorney?
I'm Attorney Richard Nerita, Mr. Chairman, President of the Independent Electricity Market Operator of the Philippines of IMO.
Okay, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and good afternoon to the honorable members of this committee. So last December 23, we were directed by this committee to prepare a study or a report on cost impact of delayed projects. Considering the data that are in our possession, what we prepared, Mr. Chairman, is to present to the committee a comparative study of the market price impact of completed transmission line projects. So we focus on 4 completed projects of the NGCP from the last 2 years, particularly, well, actually 3 years. We focused on the Mindanao Visayas Interconnection Project, or MVIP, the Mariveles Hermosa and the Hermosa San Jose transmission lines, Cebu Negros Panay Backbone, or CNP3, and the Cebu Bohol Interconnection Project, Mr. Chairman. So may we request our first. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. So next slide, please. So these are the considerations or the assumptions that we use in this project. So the target completion dates were based on the TDP 2020-2040